Today we're announcing the winner of the 21-inch Dayton Audio subwoofer, the Kraken. Stay tuned. The Dayton Audio DTA Pro provides a rich feature set including Bluetooth, USB DAC, and even a wireless remote control. With 50 watts per channel at 4 ohms, the DTA Pro provides enough power to run even the most demanding speakers. This versatile Bluetooth 4.0 multimeter syncs to a smartphone and verbally speaks out the reading that's on the B35T's large backlit display. The free app also enables a mobile device to store data and remotely control the B35T. Elevate your home theater and gaming systems to a whole new level with Dayton Audio's BST-2 Bass Shaker. The BST-2 tactile transducer allows you to feel ultra-low bass frequencies without requiring the extremely high SPL levels that are necessary when using just a subwoofer. All right, we've given you a few holiday gift ideas, but now it's time to announce the winner. If your name is Walker L. from Tulsa, Oklahoma, then lucky you. I hope you have some big plans for this big subwoofer. We'll be in touch soon to get it to you. But if you didn't win, don't worry. We just started a huge giveaway that you can enter to win now. It's for over $3,200 worth of high output gear from B&C speakers. The links are in the description for this and the holiday gift guide, so good luck to everyone and happy shopping.